Spartans, I'm Lila.
And I'm Sarah from Channel 101 News. Today is Wednesday, December 13th.
On today's show, we are going to have another Spartan Spotlight with one of Lakeview's own entrepreneurs.
And now with winter sports in full swing, we're going to talk about some good things about our basketball players.
And to wrap up the show, we have a special segment about gift wrapping.
From the studio, our live broadcast starts now.
You ladies all right?
You ladies all right?
That was a close one. You ladies all right? Whoa. You ladies all right?
Happy Wednesday, everyone. Lila, I hope you enjoyed NWA testing yesterday.
I doubt it was as much fun as you guys had at your assembly.
Yeah, NWA is not the best, but you know what is?
Bree's Baking Skills.
My business is Baked by Bree. It's a little small, at-home bakery business. I sell anything from cupcakes to cookies. I sell cakes, pies, anything you want. I can basically make it in any flavor, and I make a lot of weird flavors and unique flavors that other people don't. I'm pretty much always selling. During the holidays, people order a lot more. Birthdays, people order advance for that. I started late October, I think. But I started baking 3 years ago. I'm actually making a lot of orders right now since I'm selling at Candy Cane Lane, making doughs and stuff and freezing them on Monday, and frosting will be on Tuesday and put it in the fridge, fillings Wednesday and put it in the fridge, and then everything will come out of the fridge the day before so it's defrosted, and then I can be able to make it on Friday and it's fresh for Saturday. You can purchase anything from Facebook and Instagram. Also, you can always just come up to me and talk to me, or if you have my number.
Wow, that's so cool. I'm going to check out her websites.
Me too. Let's go support.
You know what else we should support? Our basketball teams.
That's right. How are you guys doing this year?
Well, let's go to Paige and Alicia, who talked to some other basketball players about how the season is going and what's looking for the varsity team.
My team has grown because, I feel like this year we have more chemistry because we all have been playing with each other for a long period of time, I guess you could say. We got better defense this year. We get to it in practice. We're really competitive.
Being a senior, it's kind of sad knowing that this is my last year. Seniors really have to step up this year and be leaders of the team. It's supposed to be the most fun year, and it's looking to be that so far.
My role changed from being from JV to varsity. I was a leader on JV, but now I'm not the leader anymore, and just got to play my role in the team and contribute as much as I can.
My expectation is to win it all. Win districts, beat K Central, beat Battle Creek Central, beat Harper. We still Harper K after last year. Hurt us big right there.
Our relationships off the court, I feel like we all got a good relationship because we're all goofy, but at times we know when we need to lock in, and get to it in practice, and we really got good communication. That's what I feel like one thing about us is we got good communication. We're gonna talk to each other when we need help and when something's not going right and stuff like that.
Relationship is good. It can definitely be better, but I think it's getting better. It's getting there, and I think by the end of the season it'll be where it needs to be.
The team chemistry is definitely way higher than it was last year. Not saying that team, we didn't like each other. We liked each other, but egos was too high. A lot of selfishness, which I feel like we don't have on this team as of right now.
I bring height and strength in the paint, get big, putting up getting rebounds.
Oh yeah, we're looking forward to beating Harper K. Gotta get my revenge from last year. Yeah, me and Kai. Gotta get our revenge.
I'm looking forward to beating Battle Creek Central this year.
Someone I'm looking forward to play against is Harper Creek. They're some chumps.
I'm most excited to beat Harper Creek after that upset last year. Emotions in the locker room, and we said never again. Never again.
We gonna win it all, man!
It's going to be a fun season. I hope the best for both teams.
Thank you. Are you coming to support this Friday?
That's right. I will be there at 7, decked out in white as the theme is white out.
Don't forget, tonight there is a home varsity wrestling meet at 5 against Gull Lake.
Tomorrow, the 14th, kicks off a competitive boys swimming dual meet against Lily Norris, starting at 6.
Or if you wanted to make the drive tomorrow, there will be a great game of boys basketball at Portage Central. You will catch the freshmen at 4:15, JV at 5:45, and varsity around 7.
Speaking of sports, winter athletes, please make sure that your coaches submit scores to us to announce. They will get an email last week regarding this process, but only one coach has responded so far.
Homerooms are collecting donations for Safe Place through the 21st. We're looking for unwrapped gifts, gift cards, clothing, and hygiene products. The homeroom that collects the most items will win donuts for the last day of school before break. Please consider helping out.
Please make sure that you also help support the CACC Early Childhood class by filling out their survey. The survey is to help understand how teenagers learn.
There are posters around the school with a QR code to scan to get to the survey. They really appreciate everyone taking a couple minutes to complete this by next Monday.
Next Tuesday, we will have an adjusted schedule again for the NWA test. Seniors, you will have more information on what you will be doing while everyone else tests.
And don't forget about the spirit days that we have planned next week. Monday is Holiday Pajama Day. Tuesday is Dress as Your Favorite Holiday Character Day.
Also on Tuesday, Multicultural Club will be having their final food sale. To those who want to help make sure, contact Jada Curry or Teresa Dott by Friday. Those who want to enjoy some good food, make sure you bring cash.
On Wednesday of next week, you should wear your ugly sweaters, while Thursday is Santa Hat Day.
To finish up the week, Friday, December 22nd is Red and Green Day. Thanks to Pep Club and Student Government for organizing these fun spirit days.
That's it for us today, Spartans. With Channel 101, I'm Lila.
And I'm Sarah. See you Friday, Spartans.
3, 2, 1.
Supposed to go as fast as you can?
Is it supposed to be good or no?
Yeah,